Hello, nurse. Gender non-specific. It's time for weather, nurse. Get in here. A low pressure wave will bring light and wintry precipitation, frozen pea, from the upper Ohio Valley to the mid-Atlantic with pea and thunderstorms from the south to the southeast through Wednesday. Anomalous cold conditions over the Florida Peninsula will gradually moderate as the Arctic air gets reinforced across the Great Lakes. And anomalous warmth emerges across the northern high plains as clipper systems bring some light snow across the Great Lakes. Meanwhile, much of the western U.S. will remain dry. Temperatures, high 50s to low 60s for Washington and Oregon, east and west sides. Maybe a little colder somewhere on the Washington east side, some 40s. California, we've got NorCal 71 to 67, SoCal 67 to 76. Mountain states, we've got lots of low to high 40s for much of you. As you get into the further into the southwest and Wyoming, it is going to be more like 50s, including Colorado. And then 77 by the Arizona-Mexico border, 66 by the New Mexico-Texas border. Lazy poos, we've got all of the colors, teens and 20s and 30s up top. Pretty quickly delving into higher 30s and 50s in just this nice little wave we've coming down. It's funny, like half of South Dakota, half of Nebraska, half of Kansas, and then all of Oklahoma. And Texas is warm with 60 in the Panhandle and 78 at the tip of Texas. Midwesty poos, we got lots of teens and 20s around the Great Lakes. Warms up by the time you get down to Tennessee with high 40s and low 50s. Right around the Gulf, more like low to high 60s. East Coastlies, we've got 20s and 30s for New England, 44 to 49 for the Mid-Atlantic, and then 66, 65, and 67 for the tip of the Peanuts. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica sitting at 25 degrees Fahrenheit with winds from the east at 10 miles per hour, giving you a real feel of 16 degrees and partly sunny skies. Generally wet and peed-on conditions for southern Alaska do continue with periods of even heavier pee. High temperatures for the last frontier, negative 15, 18 for the Arctic Circle. Lots of single digits for the interior and the coastline of the Bering Sea. 33 to 37 for the Aleutians, 43 to 40 near Anchorage, and 43 for the Panhandle. It's basically spring there already. Hawaii, we've got a big list here. High wind warnings, high surf warnings, gale force warnings, small craft advisories, and wind advisories, and coastal flood statements for you. Check your locals for what exactly pertains to you, but it looks like it's everywhere to me. And usually they give me a bit more words to explain what's going on, and they just really didn't today. High temperatures for the island chain in the mid 70s to the low 80s for most areas. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye!